Jesus came for the Jews, and in his time, Jesus' time, there was no other way. In the time of Moses, we say Moses was the way to God. The children of Israel, they thought it through the golden calf. God didn't like it. He said, look, this is what I want. You have to go through Moses. Whatever Moses tells you about God, you have to accept. In the time of David, David was the way to God. In the time of Solomon, Solomon was the way to God. In the time of Jesus, Jesus was the way to God. In the time of Muhammad, he is the way to God, and for mankind, for eternity. So in every dispensation, the man of God is the firstborn of God. He is the representative of God, and as such you must listen to him. That's what it means. So I accept that the people, the Jews, they had no other way, because there was no Muhammad there. If they wanted to follow Jesus, they must listen to now Peter, his representative. Peter says, look, this is what Jesus wanted you to believe, that he is your Messiah. Follow him, follow him. Salvation is yours.